Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to get shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. So as you know, in our Instagram there might be some friends of ours who wants or whom we need to give a shout out to their birthday. So it's pretty easy. You have to go to your story section and in here just head over to the camera. And from here tap on create and it will give you this sort of layout. And here in the bottom right you will find different colors with your mood. So set it according to your friend's mood. And once you do it, just change it to, and here change to text to this birthday thing. So and then here choose your friend's profile. And once it is set, it will be tagged to your friends and you can also add any sticker you want. So suppose I'm adding this one. So yeah, just tap on the arrow right here and tap on share and tap on done. And yeah, as you can see, the story is shared and the shout out is done. So yeah, this is how you can just allow or do shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.